keep eating at your wound, so it's fucked up. So if you have an ulcer and you felt that, imagine that worse. I don't know. So okay, again, change and counter. So for safety purposes, we're gonna have this up so you don't hit your nose. The target is this again. Okay, and again, and again. Good. With your partner. Died. Slowly. So we want the hands down because you're showing you're relaxed. Because if it's up and he thinks, oh, you're ready, so he's gonna do more fakes and it's gonna be a little bit crazy. So he's here, relax. Maybe if you want to switch it, maybe scratch your chin with one, so you're protecting this. Really, that's the point. Because if I'm here, right, this is the part he's gonna go for, so I'm kind of scratching here, but then he's gonna go here, then I can do that. Right? So this one, just tap the hand, change the angle. You don't need to even grab it, just tap it, change the line so it's outside of this. If you can get it here, you're winning. Try it. Nice. And also, if you want, just stand here, just one line, because you're actually showing, you know what, it's okay, I don't have a choice, I can't even do this. Okay. Please try. So you're gonna try and touch him here. If you touch him, you win. Nice. Okay, elbow up, elbow up. So like this. Yep, like you're doing a Muay Thai elbow. Okay, again, elbow up. Nice. Beautiful. Again. Nice. Touch him. You need to touch him. He's not gonna move faster and he's not gonna improve if you don't really try to touch it. Nice. Okay, good. So we're using this. We don't have to go here yet. That's nice, that's high level, but even this is enough. So bam, because this one takes my target away, because he wants to go from here to here. That's the short part. He's not gonna go there. That's too easy for you to block. Okay, so take this away by twisting that way, and also do this to his elbow. Again, slowly. Nice. Okay. You need to have this up like a Muay Thai elbow, otherwise he's gonna fuck you up. I hope you don't. Ready? Nice. Oh, so we win by changing the direction. You don't need to grab it, change the direction. So change the direction, please. That's it. Nice. I think this is better because you get the chance to maybe grab this if you're lucky, but really this is what you want. Okay, if you can, yeah, because that way I can't lift it. So if you grab my wrist here and you just put your weight, just like sleep on me, like you're gonna sleep on the bus. I can't. Your whole weight is keeping me from lifting it. It's, you know, like when one of your bros does this, like that, you're gonna put your weight on it, like this is the only thing holding you up. See, I can't. No matter how many drugs I take, I won't be able to lift that, because I'm fighting your whole upper body. So do this and counter with the elbow. Ready? Slow. Nice. Okay, slowly. Slowly. Nice. Okay, better. So again, you're surviving. Better. Okay, nice. And last one. Good. Okay. So, change. So, elbow up, elbow up. Wait, isn't it time to change?
Yeah.
Have you changed already? Is he attacker?
Yeah.
Okay, so you've changed back. Okay. Nice. One more time. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. Okay. Easy. Nice. Okay.
I feel safer that to
Tap.
long here than to.
Tap it. Sure, sure. But it also means that you're kind of trying to do this and do that at the same time. So the problem is the stability of your base. If you do this, he's gonna pull you over. So he stabs, he'll take your head down, knee it, or if he, he's a jiu-jitsu guy, pull guard. I don't know, but very, very unlikely that he's gonna do that. But if it happens, he's gonna make you fall and you're gonna put your hands down. So I don't like this position a lot. So what I do, stable, okay? Or if you're gonna do that, sit. See, so you're still worried because it's coming here. I'll show you one thing. So defend that way. Guys, can you come check this out? So he gave us an interesting new technique. So come close. So usually people will walk to you, right? And then they try to do that. So counter me, right? But look, it's still really close to him. What if I do this? He's fucked. And I didn't even put force. We need to change the line. I can't bet that my finger power and my bones are gonna be stronger than this. I can't bet that. I shouldn't bet that. That's not a good bet. If he gets lucky, this goes in. So change the angle. I could do this all day. No one's gonna get fucked there. Right? So change it. Change it. Again. Nice. See? Even if he gets cut a little, he has the counter now to my face. And even if I do that, I'm doing nothing. Okay? Change. Twisting, twisting. You need to twist your hip. Killer, go. Nice. Oh. So, slower so that your body remembers. Don't try too many things. Imagine you're in slow motion. Try it. Slow motion. So, knife is okay. Now go deeper. Go for the hand, go for the wrist. So I think what's happening is you're taking it away too soon.